Hi everyone. Uh, in this class, I am going to explain about how to change the SpringBoot server port number. Currently, I am started the SpringBoot application. SpringBoot default port number is 8080. Okay, you can see here. So, for example, I am going to the Google Chrome. Here, I given localhost 8080. So the 8080 is the default port number. It is loading. So for example, here I am giving 8081. So it is throwing the error. Okay, the site can't be reached. So in our application we can change our port number 8080 to 8081. So go to the application.properties file. So application.properties file navigated to the src main resource and application.properties here. So here you can declare server dot port. Okay, server dot port equal to 8081 and save that application.properties file. Okay, after then you can restart your SpringBoot application. You can see here. So you can see here. Currently running port is 8081 and come back to the Google Chrome, and also here you can hit enter. So see, the server is started. This is the way to uh, change the SpringBoot default port number. Okay, thank you for watching.